sideways.
Okay, tornado happening right now, and it's messed up. Tornado. Wait, hold on. Tornado coming. Tornado coming. Tornado coming. Tornado coming. Oh, shit. Hey, hold on. Get the dog inside. Get the dog inside. Get the dog inside. Holy son of a bitch. We're good. God's good. Fire pit. Oh, shit. Woo!
What's up with my face and juice?
Do it? Oh, shit. Whoa, dude. We just
missed this bitch, man.
Woo! Yeah! Nice! Shit! You see that penny? Whoa! Holy mother!
Alright. Man.
You messed me, brother! Hey, bro.
Come on, girl! Keep on going, motherfucker!
Love you, man. What's up?
Yeah. Just pound over here, man. Motherfucker.
Man, that's going about what? What do you think? Like 50 miles an hour, 40? That was fast.
Like 60 miles an hour, man.
Look at that shit. Still going. Power's out. Got my brother. Kenny, what's up? See that shit?
Yeah, that was badass, man.
Look, see it? See it? Okay. Hey, flea bag. Man, this dog. Ghetto ass. Man. Whoa, look at that. Whoa.
Right, it's right there rolling.
Whoa. Busting up power lines and everything.
Shut that shit off.
We're good. How are you?
It went right in front of us.
Who's that? Hey, you know what? You had a hard fall from there. From the 4th floor like I'm a...
Hey, man, this grill didn't go out.
Hell no, shit. We're cooking chicken.
That bitch blew up, man.
Man, look at that big sucker.
That's a big one, man.
That's probably like what, an F3?
Yeah, it shook the fucking
F4? No, that's at least a quarter of a mile wide.
It went across the lake. We were lucky.
Ah, damn. Woo.
Oh, well, that's our one chance. It won't ever happen again.
Hell no.
We hope.
Oh, it's gone. Sorry, this was coming out.
Ladies and gentlemen, we just experienced a damn F something. No, Martin.
Yeah, that was cool in the motherfucker, man.
Woo. Boom.
Yeah, it's still popping transformers.
Oh, man, that shit's like big.
I heard them sirens that holy shit.
So what?
Yeah.
Y'all good?
Oh,
Hey, come on down, have some chicken. Yeah, you can see it from here, man. It's like, man, it's hitting downtown Rockwall, or Rowlett. No, actually, Rockwall. Downtown Rockwall, yeah. Whew.
It came over the water and it filled up quick, man.
No, hell no. No, it's gone. It's gone. Hey, bring some, what's up? So what?
Y'all out here watching it?
Hell yes. We are filming.
That passed over us? I mean, was it
Look, you can still see it all there. Turn the light off.
Pretty close.
Here, shine the light over here. Right here. Mark, come on. My brother right here.
this shit?
My brother.
I ran to the bathroom with my damn dogs. Hi, it's nice to meet you.
Nice to meet
I'm
you.
Brandy.
Hey, oh, chill. Oh, no, Mark. Oh, no. Hey, sorry. Very sorry.
No, he shouldn't have gotten out. Get back in that
You need a log change, right?
Oh, fuck.
When I seen the head on that thing,
Oh, you motherfucker. Close the door, Martin. Come on. Close the door. Oh.